Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace a cabin air filter for a Subaru Impreza. First, open your glove box on the passenger side and remove all contents. Next, look for a small dampener arm, usually on the right side of the glove box, and carefully detach it. This allows the glove box to swing down further, giving you better access to the filter housing. With the dampener arm disconnected, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release its upper stops. This will allow the entire glove box to swing down completely, revealing the rectangular cabin air filter housing behind it. Locate the two small clips on the housing cover and unclip them to open it. Carefully pull out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Before inserting the new one, pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter and ensure your new filter is oriented the same way. This is crucial for proper air circulation. Slide the new filter into the housing, then snap the cover back into place, ensuring both clips are secure. Now, lift the glove box back into position, re-engaging the side stops. Reattach the dampener arm to its connection point. Double-check that everything is secure and functions correctly. Replacing your cabin air filter regularly improves air quality and HVAC efficiency. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.